Welcome back to 12 Days of Beauty. We're gonna be talking about this Morphe face palette. I bought one for myself and then I immediately knew I needed one for my kid because I like the variety of bronzers and contour shade, plus it has blush, highlight, and under eye. It's a complete face palette. I use this on myself all the time. I don't even know if I have other contour or blushes. I just be like, where's my face palette? When I'm traveling, I take this with me, super easy. All in one face palette. It has the under eye, has the contour, it has the bronzer, it has the blush, has the highlight, and it gets my face bright each time, as you can see here, living. This one for me, I got for myself, is totally tan. And the one I got for my kid is a little deeper because I needed a deeper contour shade for my deeper client, and I knew that I needed this face palette because it's literally all in one. All I have to do is pull it out. Okay, boom, boom, bam. If I only have a little bit of time, then I know that I have the right palette to get the job done. And let me tell y'all, the girls is ready. The girls be ready. I could not tell you the cost of this palette, but what I can tell you is where I got it from. I got this from Ulta. If you have a Morphe store in your city, you could go there to get it. I'm sure you can also get it offline. I like Morphe. I have a lot of Morphe brushes and I have this Morphe palette, so I am Morphe'd out. Do you prefer face palettes like this one with all of the products in one, or do you prefer separate compacts for each of your products? For example, do you prefer a separate bronzer in a compact? Do you prefer a separate blush in a compact? What I mean is, I do have this blush here. This is from MAC, Floor Power. Do you prefer like a blush bronzer like this with the setting powder? What do you prefer? Leave a comment down below and let me know. So stay tuned tomorrow for the next day. And if you're new here, I'm doing 12 Days of Beauty. So every day up until Christmas, I will be sharing with you a product that I use between hair, skin, makeup that I loved. And then on Christmas Day, something special, a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed and you're following all the way along on the journey. Well, that's all for now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.